Hi, and welcome to our video series on remote learning support provided by the Greater Essex County District School Board. In this video, you will learn how to access Office 365 tools including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneDrive directly from your Brightspace courses. We will begin this video having already logged into Brightspace and having entered one of our courses. If you need assistance with accessing your course in Brightspace, then check out the first video in this playlist. So now that we're in our course, we're going to locate the Microsoft Tools icon group from the navbar. Note that this icon group is in all of your classes, as well as the navbar for the main homepage when you first log in. Once we open that icon group, we'll see various Microsoft tools. We simply need to click on the tool that we're interested in using, and it's going to open up a new tab taking us directly to that tool. Thanks so much for checking out this video. For more support, check out other videos in this playlist.